Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how you can create a Wix drop-down menu. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your wix.com, select the website you want to go for. Once you open that, you will end up over here. Click on the top right corner, edit site. Once you are here, this is how editing page looks like. At the top left corner we have pages. Just click on this option. And at the bottom you will find manage pages. Click on this. Here you can just click on add menu item and click on new page. Once you click on that, you will see all the pages you have, and for this tutorial I am going with the profile page. We can go with the services, project, contact. There are a lot of options out there, but for this tutorial I am going with this one. Click on add page. Once you add page, make sure to name it, and you can also see that at your menu page. At the top you can see we have about page. Now let's say this page is a contact page. I want this to go in about drop down menu. So how you can do it? It is very easy. You just need to select this and drag that ahead, and you can see we have some animation over here, and you got that new page in about. So if I go over here, you can see that I have new page removed, and if I hover over this, you can see we have an option for manage menu. That means we have that under about page. So I'm gonna do that, save at the top right corner and click on preview. So we can see that it is available in this or not. Once you click on preview, you will end up over here. And if I hover over this, you can see we have an option for new page over here. So this is how you can make a drop down menu on Wix. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.